comes another one.
Engines roar so loud, rusty dreams unbound. Classic cars we find, history right behind. Start the day with chrome, purring hearts of home. Wheels of olden days, racing endless ways. Gently T Coupe, memories in motion flow. Tune it right with pride. Let the legends guide. Gravel roads and dust, steel and dreams we trust.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a ramp to get up to the land.
Shining in the night.
And what we've done in the past is we drop that ramp right at the door, like that part of the door, and it just goes right in on its own. Oh, the brake is already on. What do we got?
We have the floorboard, but we didn't send it.
It's 26. Ah, it's a 27. 27. Yeah. The headlight bar is different. 26, the headlights are still in the fender. You got an aftermarket steering wheel.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's cool.
have
Has it got the
two
lock? No lock? Yeah, there's a lock. Right here.
Oh, really?
You got the keys?
We had a key, but we could not get it. So that's one of the things we were hoping we'd be able to.
Okay.
Maybe we could open it.
I'm just going to put this down over here.
Memories in motion flow. Tune it right with pride. Let the legends guide. Let the legends guide. Oh,
What have we got? What have we got here? Ooh. New paint. I'm gonna get my O light. Alright. Got my O light. Put these together in a manner that works well. And, oh, that's why there's no plugs in it. That's why it pushes easy. Missing an exhaust. We're missing plugs. I don't know what is going on here. That should be going to a headlight. This should be going to the other headlight. Cutout fell off in my hand. Alright. Whew, it's warm.
Yeah, it definitely is.
That's why it rolled easy. The motor was probably turning.
Oh, okay.
So no plugs, no compression, easy move.
Wonderful.
You got headlight wires. That's not a good
did
sign.
The wiring. Some of the wiring. We put in
Yes.
little things.
Yeah, I saw this laying there. I'm like, what is? Oh yeah, that's headlight wire.
Yeah. So this over here, if I can take a minute to just tell you the history of this.
Sure.
So my son knew that I loved old cars.
Yeah.
And so he figured,
Do you want to be on camera or no?
oh, I don't care.
If you want to be, I'll put you on camera.
You know what? My son found you by watching some of the videos of you doing previous jobs.
Yeah, good.
And so one of the things he said that I should do, because I always need notes, is he said, if you're so inclined, and if you want to take either pictures or videos, we would love to see it being worked on. I mean, just like